Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the serial column and backing up the sheet. This prevents data loss. Once done, remove filters and unhide rows so every record is visible. Next, insert a helper column immediately to the right of the serials. You will build a corrected sequence there. Use the first visible correct serial as your anchor. This initial step ensures alignment. Make sure to note whether numbering should be continuous, restart by groups, or follow a pattern before proceeding. Now you write the formula to autocorrect. For a simple continuous series, use equals row, $1 plus 1 or equals countif, $2, A2, to handle blanks. If groups restart, combine IF with criteria. Drag the formula down the helper column to cover all rows. This recalculates based on visible order. Once the sequence looks correct, copy the helper column and paste special as values over the original serial column. This replaces faulty entries. Finish by validating every serial quickly. Sort on the serial column to confirm continuity, then delete the helper column. If something went wrong, common causes are hidden rows, merged cells, or cells formatted as text. These break formulas. If you find issues, undo the paste, unmerge or unhide, convert text to numbers, and rerun the corrected formula. One key troubleshooting tip: always work on your backup copy first. That way you can repeat the steps without risking original data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.